Hello viewer. Now today we will see how to download a Python. So Python is actually an interpreter which is also used for running Python code. So we will type python.org. This is the official site python.org. Then we click on this, or you can simply click on download link. Now here download. See, now Python is software is already downloading python.exe. After finishing of download, we have to click on the link and we can simply install Python. See, you can access it from download folder. Now see, as I am already having function, so it will upgrade my previous version with this version, and you have to just click on install. It is installing and soon it will be installed. Okay, it is a Python interpreter. So what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Interpreter runs code line by line, and compiler, it runs the whole program at once. Okay, suppose we are having 5 line of codes and error is in the line number 3rd, then our compiler will make a syntax error and it will not run the code. But in the case of interpreter, if line 1 and line 2 are correct, then the output of those 2 lines will be executed. Okay, so wait for installation. See, and the second software which we should download for it, that is a PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE. Okay, IDE for running Python code. See, so we have to visit the site jetbrains.com//PyCharm, and here is our software. Click on the download link. Then professional and community. So professional is having a paid version and this is free trial, open source. So click on this community version, and if you want further notices and updates from this, so you can also click on the getting started and subscribe. Okay, see, so this setup is of 295 MB. So what is a PyCharm? It is basically an integrated development environment. It is an environment in which we will develop the code, we will see the output, and we can also set the breakpoints. Okay, breakpoints are the points that till this point our code will execute, or beyond this point our code will not execute. That is called a breakpoint. So our Python software is also updating, and at the same time PyCharm is also in a process to download. See, PyCharm is downloaded now, so we can directly install PyCharm also by clicking on it. See, now PyCharm is also installing at the same time. Now see, PyCharm community edition setup. Click on the next. Now it is asking for install location. You can give any drive, desktop shortcut, See, now this Python is installed. Setup was successful. Close. Now we will wait for this PyCharm. Now at the end we will simply press finish by clicking run PyCharm community edition. Now we can select any of the two designs. Suppose we are selecting this.